Market watcher Tobechukwu Ikpe, Treasury Team Member at Access Bank, is standing by to give us a market update. Tobechukwu, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
There is a 166 billion Treasuries auction today. Talk to us about subscription levels and stop rates expectations.
So the federal government, through the CBN, is holding an auction today.
So what are your expectations in terms of what we'll see subscription levels? Are you forecasting that this will be very well subscribed to?
Yes, the NTB auctions have always been heavily subscribed. There's always appetite for it, given the high yields in that year space. We see the institutional investors and retail investors purchasing those securities. So every auction, they always look to participate. For the expectation of the stop rates, we expect that it will be around the previous levels, between 20.4 to 20.70.
Okay, bring us up to speed on market trading action so far. The bond market, what rates are we seeing? Where are you seeing the most action across the yield curve?
For the bond market, most of the action remains on the long end. We've seen the longest dated on the run, 2033, being offered at around 21.5% levels. Or the off-the-run longest tenured bill, 2053, has been offered around 17.75. So that is where most of the action is on the bond curve. But today, the market has been relatively calm because of the NTB auction that is happening today. Market participants focus their attention on that. And a lot of bond participants will rather wait for the next bond auction, which is on 15th July, next Monday, to guide their short-term trading decisions, depending on where the rates come out at that bond auction.
All right. Talk to us about liquidity levels, where they are right now. What the trend has been since Monday?
Since Monday, we've had a negative liquidity situation in the money markets. This was due to some CRR debits last week and some other payments from banks to the Apex Bank for some agencies. So that threw the market into a negative repo position of over 1 trillion. Yesterday, the market liquidity closed at 1.2 trillion and open today around the same levels. This has led to interbank rates hovering above 30% due to the squeeze in the liquidity. So we've seen that banks are basically borrowing from the CBN at this point to fund their obligations.
Do you expect this trend to continue for the rest of the week?
For the rest of the week, we expect that the NTB rates that come out at the end of today will guide the trading sentiment in the near term. If there's no shock there, we expect that the similar demand for NTB bills will persist through the end of the week. We expect that the money markets will remain illiquid and be worsened by tomorrow when the NTB settlement happens. And for the bond market, we expect that will remain quiet till next week, where they have a NTB auction.
All right, let's move over now. Let's move over now to the FX market. In NAFEM trading, predominantly we're seeing activity on the buy side. What can you tell us? And also where the Naira is trading against the US dollar so far today?
So for the FX markets, the way Nigeria is structured, the appetite for dollars is always there, so there's continuous demand. We've seen depreciation over the recent weeks. Yesterday, the USD NGN depreciated at NAFEM to 1.532. But during today's trading action, we've seen the CBN coming to intervene to stabilize those rates. So by the end of today, we should see some appreciation in the Naira to just above 1.5 levels, probably around 1.510 by the close of business today.